Yeah, it looks nice. Do you guys want to know what I got at the store?
Yeah.
Okay, Cody, go get it. It's in the kitchen.
I'm excited.
Are you?
Yeah.
It's a surprise.
What is that?
Okay, open the bag.
No, I'm gonna open it. Nickelodeon.
Open the bag. Let's put it in. Just rip the bag. It's okay. You want me to help you?
Wow!
What is that?
Chocolate
Oh, hey, that chocolate is mine.
Yeah, slime.
Okay, let's make some slime, guys. So we have clear glue, white
And
glue,
we have glitter.
and slime activator.
Yeah. And then glitter.
And then 2
Bowls. And we have paint. And we have these.
What color do you guys want to make first?
Oh, I want to be blue. No, pink.
All right. So 1 pink and 1 blue. Okay, so we put 15 ml of white glue in there. And pour the glue into your bowl. All of it. Here, use the scoop and get it up. Oh, Ronnie, mommy's coming. Cody, your turn and put it in.
Okay.
Use a scoop and scoop it up. Use a stick. Yeah.
Why is Cody doing the same thing as me? And go do this like.
Because you're gonna make a pink one,
Oh, we made a mess.
and Cody's gonna make a blue one.
I'm gonna make a cookie.
Oh. Pour your water in. Okay, pour it in. Stir it up. Cody, your turn. Pour your water. That's less water. What color are you gonna put in?
Pink.
Okay, get 1 spoonful of pink. A full spoon. Pour it in. Ella's pouring in the activator. Okay, stir everything around, buddy. Pour it in, let me see. Okay, stir it around.
It's gonna be only. Whoa! Cody, put it up like. Whoa, mommy. Good job.
You did it. Good job to you.
And good job to Cody.
And good job to Cody.
Oh my. But it's very yummy. And my slime. And then my
Ella, didn't you want to add glitter?
yeah, Ella still mixing it. And then we have to add glitter. Mommy,
Okay, add glitter.
I can't open it.
Do you need help?
Yeah.
Do you need mommy's help?
Yeah.
Ella put blue glitter in her slime. And Cody's gonna add some blue to it.
You're just turning back blue. And it's orange.
Let me see your color, Ella.
It's the same one. Back into mine is just perfect. This is brown. It's space.
And I will just have my chocolate. Remember to like and subscribe.